Rebound, Elmer. Elmer, outlet pass to Kia. Kia. Simple basketball. 2 points. 41-21, 20 points lead ng Team Yellow. 11 minutes, 35 seconds remaining. Mejias for 3. No good. From the Archie. Intercepted by Mejias. Number 22. Number 22, side step. Baliktad. Igati tawag. Reverse traveling call. Alright. Next one, question. Alright, number 4. Pass to Elmer. Elmer. Drop pass to Archie. Tumanonog. Wow! Gibali kay Archie. Archie, 13 seconds shot clock. Elmer. No good. Foul ni Timmy na naman. Timmy, pila ng foul ni Timmy? Second personal foul. 3 team fouls, 2 team fouls ng Team Yellow. 1 basket good. 1 point, Elmer. 1 point. Good nga po, Elmer. 1 point. There you go. Last throw, prepare to ambak. Complete 100%, 2 out of 2. 10 minutes, 30 seconds remaining in our ball game. Number 30. Number 30, directing traffic. Number 30 to 22. Royshen to Timmy. Thought about a 3. Timmy. Crossover, side step. Pull shot, no good. Nakakuha ni Elmer. Relax lang sa daw. Elmer number 1, di pasa sa hawak. Manonog, spin move, drop pass, gidilaan pas Timmy. Elmer, 2 points. Elmer. CJ Idok-Dok. CJ dribbling the ball. Pulls up for 10. In the act of shooting, foul by Edward. Foul ni Edward.